Are you going?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Hey, you guys. How are you today? Let's see. Today is Wednesday, December 3rd. And as you can see, Robin, look around. As you can see, obviously, not this isn't Bessie. This is Humphrey, my new car. He's a 2003 um, Ford Explorer. And look how much room's in the back. I can fucking seat 7 people. I'm in the wrong lane anyway. It's fucking cool. Like, look how high up we are. Look at that. It's amazing. It's beautiful. It really is. So yeah, just letting you guys know, just an update. So